What smells like onion rings?
What smells like onion rings?
Yeah, what the heck?
Well, okay, this is gonna be like a weird video of nasty sound effects. Some are nasty, just some are weird. Some are just weird phrases or songs. Here.
Because I'm back tracing. I've got balls of steel. Double barrel roll. Bazinga.
What is your mother in the world of
Challenge accepted. ¿Qué te va a hacer, pupita? Consequences. And you've been reported to suck on the block? Don't!
Hi.
What are you?
Dad, please be quiet.
What?
Please be quiet.
I played the
What?
Good news. Yes.
Bye bye, YouTube.